Eagle eye. Witnessing nature's apex predators, in the boundless sky, eagles reign supreme with grace. Majestic creatures, mighty wings, and piercing eyes. Their flight leaves us in awe, humbled by their presence. Witnessing eagles soar is an inspiring experience. Eagle cries echo freedom's anthem across the land. In mythology and culture, eagles hold deep significance. Eagle populations thrive, a conservation success story. Each eagle sighting enchants with wonder. Eagle-eyed observers grasp their ecological role. Seeing an eagle is akin to glimpsing royalty. Eagle art and literature echo cultural significance. Eagle watching boosts ecotourism, supporting local communities. Educating fosters stewardship for environmental well-being. Eagle research enriches our understanding of avian life. Eagle flight rekindles our bond with the wild. Eagle eye, the timeless spirit of untamed beauty.